right track, but you're really wrong. What do you think hill rock means? Maybe you should look at the hill and see if you can find a marker. I'd say step on the rocks. Yeah, try that.
But recently I just don't care. I'm a new bitch.
What are you trying to do? Are you trying to get a marker? Well, tough luck.
But recently I just don't care. I'm a new bitch with a new style.
Gosh, you're persistent. Fine. Pick the marker. Estimate.